So I thought I'd just do a quick video on a very common reason that shareholders have disputes, because here at Norling Law we resolve a relatively high volume of shareholder disputes, and we see a common theme time and time again, and it's worth a mention. So the number one reason why I believe shareholders have disputes is greed. Number one reason. It's greed, it's entitlement, because let's be fair. When a business is in startup mode and there's no money in the bank account, everyone's in the trenches, they're working together, they're working towards a common goal. As soon as there's a large volume of cash sitting in the bank, suddenly one person is of the view, hey, I get more work, I do more work, because I do these things, I'm entitled to more than the other person. And so that sense of entitlement can fester, it can grow, and over sometimes 12, 18 months can result in a lot of friction between the shareholders until they get to that point of no return, and they get to that point where they really should not be in business together anymore. And once you get to that point, the question is, who is buying out who? Who gets to keep the business and who's leaving? So really, really important that shareholders have very honest and robust conversations at the outset of the relationships, because by doing that and by putting all of that information and agreed structure into a shareholders agreement, you can avoid using a lawyer like myself to try and unwind all of the issues and resolve the disputes. So number one tip from me is, if you want to avoid using a litigation lawyer like myself, talk to a lawyer who can help you put in place a good, robust shareholder agreement. And I'm not talking about one of those template shareholder agreements where you slap the party names on it and you sign at the bottom. I'm talking about one that is fit for the purpose of the particular shareholders. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Cheers.